Always, guys, respect the pump. I respect the pump in all assets. Why? Because it's kind of like karma. You know, the power of the pump always comes back to you if you respect the pump of other people. It's crazy, but I have this belief that whatever pumps, you have to pay respect. Because otherwise, if you're like, oh my God, this scam coin is pumping again, actually you are kind of rejecting the pump from your life.
GM, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we have an update here for the AQLA token Aqualibre real world asset play here that we've got involved with on the channel back into January of this year, earlier with the pilot launch on Kujira. So things have developed, and so the main update here today is all around the token and in terms of token liquidity. So as of this moment, Aqualibre is tradable at 2 venues now. Quick TLDR, Aqualibre, what does it do? They are essentially building a carbon offset marketplace, and they will be the broker between those supplying carbon credits and those who are wishing to offset their carbon by purchasing carbon credits. They will also be investing in the carbon markets by purchasing stakes in ventures that actually produce carbon credits as well. So not only marrying up buyers and suppliers, but also generating their own carbon credits into the future, which is super intriguing. Check out the blog post for more details and case studies there. As we know though, AQLA is currently tradable on Kujira's Fin. So this is the main place where you can buy the token. Of course, a little bit siloed from the main crowds here. So in order to tackle this issue, they've made some changes. Now, do bear in mind, this looks like a very bullish structure on this token. Now, the update here is that AQLA has launched on ETH Mainnet. If you take this contract address down here and find your way over to Uniswap on Ethereum Mainnet right now, plug that in and you'll get this. So the AQLA token is available. So give that a copy paste from the official Twitter account of AQLA there, and you will see that you are able to buy using your mainnet balance some AQLA tokens. Now, why is this important? Well, this is important because, as you would have seen, if you haven't had your head under a rock, there is a bit more of a heating up of the altcoin market now. The main area with the most liquidity, the most users, and the biggest whales is of course Ethereum Mainnet, and it likely will be that into the future as well. So this means we can open up the AQLA markets to a bigger audience here, make it liquid for more normie retail investors, new people to join the AQLA community as a result of this. And overall, I think this is a very bullish and smart strategic move from the team here. So things to think about. First and foremost, I'm sure you all have used Uniswap previously, so I don't need to show you exactly how to swap in and out of a token into AQLA here, but do bear in mind the price impact down here. Obviously, that's a very small trade. The liquidity on here is going to be improved, and also currently, if you go to markets on CoinGecko, the ETH market isn't currently showing. So the alpha there is that it will show at some point on CoinGecko. They are due to pad this out with deeper liquidity to obviously reduce slippage, because right now if you aped an ETH in, you're going to move the price like 3%, which isn't very good. But if you see where I'm going with this, of course, it would make sense to position before it becomes a bit more mainstream, before the deeper liquidity gets there, etc. Now let's move on to how would you get your AQLA from ETH Mainnet here. So say you're a new investor, you buy some on mainnet, but you want to ship it over to the Kujira blockchain so that you can use Aqualibre on there. So why would you want to do that? If we just see this post here, finishing touches are coming, yield bearing USDC rewards for AQLA stakers coming sooner than you think. So platform revenues, the major utility here will be that there will be a share of revenues with token stakers. They are due to complete a big 7-figure plus deal, and there will be revenue kickbacks, ongoing rewards in dollars USDC, so real yield to token stakers, but that will be on Kujira. So therefore the conundrum is, how do you move funds maybe either way? Because you may want to move some funds onto mainnet, you may want to move your funds back. Might as well just show you both here. So we're on the Gravity bridge. You'll be required to have a Kepler wallet here or similar Cosmos based wallets. And then of course a MetaMask wallet or whatever your preferred Ethereum based wallet is. You need to connect your wallet. So initially what we want to do is connect our Kujira, which is I'm using a Kepler wallet here. Connect that up. And then if we connect the Gravity bridge as well. So the first step here is to bridge an IBC transfer from Kujira to Gravity. So this will be your own wallet, your own Kepler wallet. You'll just move funds from Kujira to Gravity bridge. And then to get them into Ethereum Mainnet, you move them from Gravity bridge into Ethereum Mainnet. So it's a two-step process to get funds from Kujira, AQLA from Kujira onto Ethereum Mainnet. So this would be step one. Select the token here. So you select AQLA from the drop-down menu. It's going to show your Gravity address in here via that wallet that is connected. You click on Begin Transfer and Approve Transfer in your Kepler wallet as it pops up. Just press Approve just behind my head here. And that's going to transfer those funds from Kujira, AQLA, onto Gravity Bridge. And that'll be done very, very quickly. And then the second step would be to move from Gravity Bridge into Ethereum Mainnet. So select ETH from the drop down, connect both the wallets up. The second click here for ETH Mainnet will ask you to connect your MetaMask if that is appropriate to you. And then to get those funds across, you can see the available is there with the bridge fee deducted. The bridge fee is like $30 at this moment. And if you want to begin that transfer, it takes about 25-30 minutes on my test run. You press Begin Transfer here and approve the transfer in your Kepler wallet, and that will send those tokens over and into your ETH mainnet balance. Then on the flip side, so this may be more applicable to more people, if you acquire some AQLA on Ethereum mainnet via Uniswap, you may want to get them into the Kujira ecosystem at a later date for the staking program that's going to go live. So you connect your two wallets on Gravity Bridge, ETH Mainnet wallet connected, Kujira wallet connected, select AQLA from the drop down, and you can see available balance is there, and it will transfer to your Kujira address. You then have to give a token approval and then begin the transfer and pay an ETH gas cost associated with both of those transactions. So pretty simple overall, just to move funds between Kujira and ETH Mainnet, buy on either of those venues, on Kujira via Fin, on ETH Mainnet via Uniswap. And then just to round things off here, if you check out the token documentation within the white paper, as of late, we had, of course, Kobe's infamous low float, high FDV price discovery taking place in the private markets and not for public. And then when you look at the AQLA token economics here, remember we got involved with the public sale, the fair launch public sale on Pilot via Kujira back at the start of the year, 37% to the public sale. Hardly any tokens sold prior to that, and the ones that were sold at a higher price than everyone paid on the actual public sale, which is super interesting. And you have a really good token cliff there of 12 months for the majority and long vesting periods as well. So I think overall the tokenomics for this speak volumes. And if you look at some of the competitors in the carbon offset space right now in crypto, you'll see there's multiples still to run for this one before it's crowned the number one in Web3. But that is all from today's video. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.